Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the HMRC tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in gov.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the UK government taxation. Now scroll down and you will find the HMRC account sign in or setup option. Just click on this and then scroll down and you will find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it and you will end up within the login portal. Now from this page, you will be asked to enter your credentials to log into your account. Just type in your gateway user ID within the user ID box and then type in your account password within the password box. After typing in both of these credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your HMRC account with the UK government website right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password as well as the user ID option underneath the problem signing in section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HMRC website account on the UK government website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.